A wasp is messing with something it really shouldn't be playing with. What's in its hands? Oh, just the head of an unfortunate creature. Whether it's a fly, an ant, or whatever, they all end up like zombies, getting their heads toyed with. But this strange phenomenon? It's all thanks to a tiny little villain known as the phorid fly. These guys lay their eggs inside the host's head, and as the larvae grow, they take control of the host, forcing it to break off its own head, to create an escape route for the fully grown fly to emerge, of course.